Hi, this is Daniel, and I'm going to talk about UML sequence diagram. And I'm going to use the diagram I created for the UML sequence diagram assignment, which kind of simulates the login of a user in a default system. The system is going to work very similar to what I believe runs with most of the common systems, and basically the user is going to make a login request providing email and password inside the request, and when the login button is pushed, a login request is sent to the system, and actually inside the system, and the form is validated, and once the form is correct, then the system is going to trigger a HTTP request to a server. I've created here two different kind of options, and basically if we have the server is up and running, then it's going to trigger a query in the database, and the database is going to return the user information. It can be a valid user or it can be not found user, so it depends on the information queried in the database. And there's also another possibility when the server is going to be unavailable, and it's going to return a message saying that the server is not available at the moment. Okay, but let's suppose that the system is available, the server is available, it queried the database, and the information found was a valid user, then the system is going to grant access to the user. And if the user is not found, then the system is going to deny the access to the user. And basically that's how it's going to run. It's kind of simple. It works in a sequence. That's why the name is sequence diagram, where basically there will be actions and responses to those actions, and they're going to run in a way that when one thing is done, then the other occurs, and when the other is done, then another thing happens, and it goes this way until the final answer or the final result is found or is conquered, is achieved. That could be a user found who is going to have access to the system, or a not found user, which is going to be denied to enter in the system. Basically that's it. I believe that I've covered the things I've learned, and thank you so much for time to watch.